Okay, so I started a new project. It's a rostock Delta 3D printer, and this is what I've got so far. These are all the axes. Underneath here are the motors, little stepper motors, and they run on 8mm 30-inch rods, and then they got linear bearings on each side. And then those go to little ball bearing arms, and they go down to the center. And whenever you move it around, they move all the way up, and they lock to the top, which there'll be switches up here that know where it's at center. And this thing is like dead perfect. It's totally flat laying there. Jeff Natting, I think is his name. I got those parts from him. So if you look up on Facebook for Jeff Natting, he's got all kinds of stuff on there. I bought those. All these plastic parts are all 3D printed, and it's the stuff that he had. So yeah, I got a bunch of stuff there. It should be working good. I'm just working on figuring out how to get there's a line that goes from here down to the bottom and connects onto the little wheel, and then when it turns, it connects to here, and then when it turns, it moves this up and down all three axes. But let's see. Here. So that's the machine. This is the top. I painted, I don't know if you can see anything in here, it's too dark. But I got the power supply. This is a 700 watt power supply from a server. I talked to Jeff Natting. He's going to be sending me the controller parts that go into this. It's got a switch and everything, and then I got all the electronics and stuff from Hong Kong. This is going to be a heated bed. If you want to know anything about that kind of stuff, just look up 3D printers on Facebook. There's our big monster rabbit. But I got all the electronics. These belts are going to be too small. I'm going to do it with fishing line. So I'm working on some stuff with that. But yeah, I'm getting there, and worked on making a little template to find the center. This is basically the center point, and these are the holes that match that, and you spin that around the center, and that gives you all your right positions. And then it's got a little pointer right there that shows the center of the line, and that kind of lets you know there's one station. And then, you know, you sit there right there in the middle, and that's how I found all the holes centered on here. And then have the center spot there, and then it just moved it around. I got these wood from Home Depot, just little round things, perfect size. So. Alright, there's a little update. And there's I machined that out. So I had a little gauge, a jig. So I'll talk to you later.